Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. As you can see, your device will inform you what kind of settings it will actually reset, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap on Reset Network Settings and be aware that this operation cannot be undone. So Reset Network Settings, and as you can see the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.